So you're looking for printed customized burger wrappers in small quantity? Look no further. Thank you for visiting shop.dillicpackaging.com. The moment you reach this page, head down to Customize Packaging. In our drop-down menu, you will see many different types of packaging that you can print on. Head all the way to the bottom and you will see burger wrappers. We have got many different types of burger wrappers that you can choose from, and you can choose the number of colors that you would like to go onto your burger wrappers. Once you've decided on the size and the type of burger wrapper, click on it. Once you click on it, decide on the quantity that you're looking at. Fill up the quantity. One quantity stands for 10,000. The minimum order quantity will be 3 units, which is 30,000. Add to cart. The moment you view cart and you proceed to checkout, an email will be sent to you prompting you to send to us your completed artwork so that we can place it in for you to approve before it is sent for production. Thank you.